CERN Summer Student Program in Switzerland offers fully funded opportunities. The program provides valuable training and educational experiences. Students engage in cutting-edge research at the world's largest particle physics laboratory. Participants work alongside top scientists from around the globe. They gain hands-on experience with advanced technologies and equipment. The program includes lectures, workshops, and networking events. Students have access to state-of-the-art facilities and resources. They contribute to ongoing research projects and experiments. Participants collaborate with fellow students from diverse backgrounds. CERN Summer Program fosters a vibrant and inclusive scientific community. Students can explore various research areas within particle physics. The program offers mentorship and guidance from experienced researchers. Participants enhance their problem-solving and critical thinking skills. They develop a deeper understanding of fundamental physics concepts. The program promotes interdisciplinary collaboration and innovation. Students have the opportunity to present their findings at conferences. Participants gain insights into the forefront of scientific discoveries. CERN Summer Program nurtures the next generation of scientific pioneers. The experience at CERN opens doors to future career opportunities. Students immerse themselves in a dynamic and inspiring scientific environment. The program encourages exploration and curiosity in scientific pursuits. Participants form lasting connections with peers and mentors. CERN Summer Student Program equips students with invaluable skills and knowledge. The program fuels passion for science and pushes the boundaries of discovery.